Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial you will learn how you can send new Salesforce leads to your Microsoft Teams automatically. So guys, you are receiving your leads in Salesforce CRM and you want to send the details of your leads to your team working on Microsoft Teams. So this automation is for you and it will help you to do it automatically. Let me show you. You can see on my screen now, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you are going to add a new lead in Salesforce, the details of the same lead will be sent as a message in a channel in Microsoft Teams automatically, so you do not have to manually see the leads data and you don't have to manually notify your team repetitively about the new lead. So it will save your time and your manual efforts and improve your productivity. And we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen. And guys, the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. To set up this automation, guys, first of all you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted the same link in the description as well. So from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks every month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, click on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Salesforce to Microsoft Teams automation. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here, and on this page you will find the trigger and the action. So we are going to build this automation with the help of these two things only. So the trigger here is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be addition of a new lead here in Salesforce CRM, and the action towards this trigger would be to send the details of that lead as a message in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so first of all you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose the trigger application as Salesforce. Here it is selected. Okay, and here you can see it is showing the trigger for every 10 minutes. So it is going to check the data in Salesforce in every 10 minutes, and it is going to check if there is a new lead, and if there is any new lead in the span of 10 minutes, the data of that same lead will be captured and will be sent. Okay, so here in the trigger event you have to select this new lead option, so it will trigger us when a new lead is created inside your Salesforce. Okay, now click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Salesforce, and from this window you have to allow the access of allow the access to give Pabbly Connect access to Salesforce. So from here click on allow, and you will be connected with Salesforce application. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking for the instance URL. So to connect with Salesforce, you need to find this instance URL from the setup, and in the left hand sidebar you will find the company profile, then you will find the company information. There you have to look for an instant. It will look like this: AP16, AP12, etc. And if your instant is this, you have to paste this address as the instance URL. So guys, you can follow these instructions written here. Let me show you the exact process. This is my Salesforce account, and here we have this setup. Okay, so from this setup section, from the left hand sidebar, you will find the settings option. Under the settings you will find this company settings. Click on company settings. Under company settings you will find this company information tab. Click on company information. Okay, and under the company information page, here you can see we have this instance option, and it is showing this instance. Okay, so we got the instance. So first of all what you have to do, just copy this format, just this URL from here only, from the instructions. Copy this, paste it here like this, and then just change the instance that you have. So our instance is this. I am just copying this instance. Okay, and I have to paste it here. like this. Okay, right, and click on save and send test request now, and you will be connected with Salesforce. So guys, you can see in this response we got the data of the most recent lead added in from our Salesforce. So you can see it is showing the name as dummy person. You can see here in the Salesforce as well. Here the last lead that I have created is dummy person only, and the data of this same lead is captured here in this workflow like this. It is showing the same details, company, TCS, and this address and this number, and these are the same details that we have here. Okay, so that's how you can capture the data of a most recent lead from Salesforce. And guys, now I want to send the details of the same lead to my team which is present on Microsoft Teams application. For that to happen, I'm going to connect Microsoft Team here in the Actions tab. So from this choose a field, search for Microsoft Teams. This is it, select it. Alright, and in the action event guys, you have to select this send message in a channel option. Then click on connect, and from here select add new connection option, then click on connect with Microsoft Teams. Alright, so that it will bring you to this window. You can skip this step, and here it is asking a permission request to connect Pabbly Connect with Microsoft Teams. So you have to give the access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on accept from here, and you will be connected with Microsoft Teams. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected, and here it is asking for your team's name. So my team's name is this, sales and marketing, and under this team I have this channel, general channel. Okay, so I am going to select the team's name, sales and marketing, and here we have these two channels, so I'm selecting general. And here you can type a standard message that you want to send to your team as and when you are going to capture a lead in Salesforce. So I'm going to type a message here. So guys, I have typed this message for my team. You can see, hello team, we have got a new lead added in our Salesforce CRM. The details are as follows. And here I'm going to map the data that we have received from the first tab from Salesforce. So we have received these labels, name, first name, company, and all these things. So I'm going to map the labels here like this. Just click on this here in the front of name, and from this drop down you will see the Salesforce previous tab. Just click here and you will get all the data that you have received in the first step, and from here only map the name label. Similarly, map the email label from here. So guys, you can see email label is blank because we didn't added the email when we create the lead in Salesforce, but you can map the label here, blank label also. And in the contact you can map the contact number label. You will find the contact number here, map it. So when you map the labels like this, what will happen in real time after setting up this automation? In real time, as and when you are going to add any lead in Salesforce, the labels in this message are going to change and a new message will be delivered automatically every time you add a new lead with the fresh data. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map labels here. Now you can check your connection with Microsoft Teams by clicking on save and send test request, and a new message will be here in this general channel of this team. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and this is the response we have received here. Let me show you the message, and here you can see we got this message, and here you can see we got the details placed in front of name and contact, and the email is showing nothing because the label was blank here. And that's how it is going to work, guys, right? So now we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to add a lead in Salesforce, or you got any lead from Salesforce through any source, the same lead will be sent to your Microsoft team members like this in this channel automatically, and your team can work on that lead so to quickly convert it into your customer. And guys, you can use this same workflow because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow that I have created in the description, so that you can clone that workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.